Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm gonna show you the best makeup foundation I use on my face. Yes, and if you have been looking for the best foundation to wear for your wedding, for your birthday shots, for your video occasion, etc, today is a lucky day because I'm going to share the best foundation powder for all skin tones, from dark skin to fair skin, especially for my gorgeous African queens. So if you have been struggling to find the right powder to use, keep watching. And trust me, I have tested this on different skin types: oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, and I have my top picks. So guys, the first foundation powder that I'm going to list out here is classic foundation powder. Guys, this is the one I'm using and it's very okay. This powder is budget friendly option that works for beginners. Yes, it gives medium coverage and a soft finish. It might need some touch up during the day, but for the price worth it. Yes, so guys, this foundation that I'm using right here is very nice. It smoothens my face very fast. It makes my face to glow. Yes, this is the powder that I'm using and it's 1 in a million, guys. You can use this on a daily basis, yes, but it might need a touch up during the day. When I mean touch up, I mean adjustment to your makeup throughout the day to keep your face looking fresh and flawless. So guys, the next foundation powder is Elegance Beauty Foundation. Guys, this one is very soft and smooth on the skin. It gives a light to medium coverage, perfect for people who don't like heavy makeup. If you're the type that doesn't like heavy makeup, this powder is for you. Ideal for office wear or casual outing. Yes, if you want to go out casually, you get this foundation. So guys, another foundation to try is Zikel foundation. Guys, Zikel is another top type option. It gives full coverage, lasts longer all day, and blends beautiful, especially if you use a light foundation underneath. It gives great for everyday wear, especially for people with normal to combination skin. Remember, it comes in different skin tones. So if you're dark, we have the one for dark skin. If you're fair, we have the one for fair. If you're caramel, we also have the one for caramel skin. The next one is Flawless Ivy Foundation Powder. If you want soft, smooth coverage with a natural matte finish, this one is a winner. It works perfectly on both oily and dry skin. And the range shade, one of the best for all African skin tones. Highly recommended for weddings and special occasions. So if you have a wedding to attend or occasions to attend, try this foundation. It's going to give you a top notch. This is Glams foundation powder. If you love a glam look, Glams powder gives a slight dew, flawless finish, and a smooth look. It works well when you laid with a setting spray or primer. So guys, this powder is a full coverage, is a matte foundation. Yes, so if you're using this powder, you must use a good face primer, yes, and a setting spray to make it last. And this powder is good for photo shoots and party looks. So if you want to go to party, you're a party type or a photo shoot type, you get this particular foundation and wear it. It will give you that beautiful look that you want. So guys, that's the best foundation that I've listed out in this video. Watch me as I apply my foundation on my face. Yes, to prepare for work this morning. Yes, so guys, this is the foundation that I'm using on my face. Watch me as I apply it on my face, as I wear it on my face for work. Remember guys, I sell these products. Remember, I sell skincare products as well, beauty products, personal hygiene products, hair products as well. Yes, so do well to patronize me by commenting in the comment sections. Whichever one you want, I am there to deliver. Yes, so keep watching and enjoy the video.